Welcome to a new and important section of the course, Inbuilt Data Structures. Data structures are fundamental concepts in computer science. They are organized ways of storing and managing data so that it can be accessed and modified efficiently. In Python, several specialized data structures are readily available for specific use cases, and we will begin with the Queue module. 1. What are data structures? A data structure is not just a container for data, but a container organized with a specific set of rules. For example, the Python list is a simple, general-purpose structure. But when we need to ensure that data is processed in a strict order, like handling print jobs or customer service requests, we need specialized structures like queues or stacks. 2. Python's Queue module. For implementing classic data structures, Python provides the Queue module. Although it is named Queue, this module actually contains 3 different classes for handling ordered data, which we will explore in the coming lectures. Importantly, these classes are thread-safe, meaning they are designed to work reliably in concurrent environments where multiple parts of the program might access the structure at the same time. 3. Focus. The queue structure, FIFO. Our main focus will be the classic queue data structure, which operates on the principle of FIFO first in, first out. This means the first element added to the queue is always the first one to be removed. Think of a real-life queue at a checkout counter. The person who arrived first is the first person to be served. This strict ordering is critical for tasks like task scheduling and buffering. To summarize, data structures are essential for ordered data management. Our next lecture 38.02. Queue. See you there.